Power back, baby. Flaps will be to 5, I think. Yes, flaps 5. And as we power back, we will lower the flaps. In 3, 2, 1, go. Power back, baby. Shut up. It's very low, the volume. Oh well, it's okay. It's probably the music, I don't know. Okay, flash 5. Yeah, no, there's not a lot of volume. I don't know if you can hear the same, but it's not gonna be a big problem, I think. Let's see outside. Ah, it's still okay, come on, we can still hear. Something was really wonky with my...
The airline is rolling to the runway.
Flappy Airlines, you are clear to runway, to keep rolling to the runway, do whatever you have to do. Because I cannot speak. Let me see. I need to lower the volume here. Okay. Right. Oh, ooh, stop. Nerd, no, this is since I got the PC. Before I was 1280 by 720. So, oh, thank you because you noticed. You noticed the improvement, thank you so much. Yes, now I'm streaming in full HD, baby. And I hope you can see the difference. Taxi on, lights on as well, why not? All of them. It was a connection, but there's a lot of buffering going on. So maybe it's the resolution. I'm going out at 2.5 megabit. If that means anything. If you know, listen to this song, so good. Oh my god, Carva. Okay. Oh.
Lining up.
And YOLO Airlines is also joining. We need some pitch. Oh boy, I'm losing this. Okay, wait. Pitch a little more. Alright. Ah, man. So thirsty. My god. Still, oh man, so good. I would go for the same things again, all over again. There was this fish, this little dish with some fish. It was a sashimi of something. I think it was either trout or... I don't know, but it was delicious. So I think I need to... Either I lost my taxiway or I need to enter this way from Echo 0. So, yeah, what about everybody else? Yes, the fish was really nice, man. That fish was really nice. It could have been very well on a fish soup, but oh my god! But it was, you know, it deserved to be eaten raw, definitely. Oh yes, come on, yes. I think this could be a departure. However, wait, are we ready? I think so. Shall we depart with this? We should have gotten the Itsun 3 departure though. However, 042 is a radial. We need to take off and go back basically. Alright, so I think this is gonna be the takeoff song. This is YOLO Air 77 X-Ray. If you guys are okay, you are clear for takeoff.
Okay, I will go.
Woo! Yes, perfect takeoff. Come on. Yes, the song is perfect. This can be the perfect song for takeoff as well today. Come on. Yes. As flap moves, we'll move as well. Oh yes. It's moving, come on! Yes! It was a nice takeoff, yes. Flaps 2. Yeah, come on. Yes. Okay, keep turning. And flaps up. Oh, there's Beach Jet, look! Woo! Hello, Beach Jet. You're still in time, man, to take off. Come on, man, take off, take off. Oh, Beach Jet is with us. Nice. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Carva, thank you so much. Unbelievable. Really, really good. Thank you. Wow. Okay, so okay, maybe we can go to next one, to this one maybe. Yeah, that could be okay, well. 9 miles. Nice. Okay. Slow down, baby. Oh, I see the airport. Nice. Okay. Very nice view of Fukuoka. Okay, the speed is good. Keep going, baby. Keep going. So we're gonna do basically, yeah, we're gonna set this at 5,000 really, and then do a left pattern. Yes, easy, easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Okay, let's go. 7 miles, gear down. Prepare for a YOLO kiss. Let's see what we can do. Flaps 20 in the meantime. And we're going down. At landing speed, more or less, yes? Okay, flap is touching down, I can see. Radio altimeter at, yeah, so flap 30 please. Configure. Let's see if we can do a decent one today. Give me the plane. We have the plane. Wow, it's really low. The sounds are extremely low. I don't know what this is. Okay, flap is landed.
Flappy Airlines vacating on the
boy.
right.
Yay!
Very nice landing. And good luck, sir.
Thank you very much. Okay. Here we go, boys. Stable. Kinda. Wow, that was nice. But kiss it, kiss it. Keep it, kiss it. Yes. Yes. YOLO kiss. Yes. The YOLO kiss is real, guys. Yes. Once again. Keep it there, keep it there. On the runway.
P1, rotate.
I am rotating. I am keeping a constant rotation. And now, go. Yes. Yes. And get up. Flaps up too. Yes. Pitch down. Woo. Yes, baby. Bit more engines, please. Why not? Nice. Alright. Hello, Talkernator. Hello, my dearest. 285. I'm gonna watch. We're gonna watch a replay now of this. Gonna take a left turn. The flaps are up. I want the flap replay with flap. There. Yes, yes. So you can see flaps landing and our kiss. Let's see. Nice. Really, Ghost? No. Are you? No. You joking? No. Here we go. Yes, baby. Look at that. So the touchdown of YOLO Air was there. Oh wow, it was soft. And look at Flap. Wow. Wow, Flap. Oh, the birds. The birds. And wow, Flap, that was a lovely touchdown, yours. Now, let's focus on this YOLO kiss. The YOLO kiss is confirmed. Was actually quite okay. I think was within specifications. Yes. Alright, okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna continue now. Yes. Alright, nice, nice. Pushes back. Birds, the birds. Look at the birds. Oh no. Oh man. Don't fucking, don't let me lose an engine, man. Don't make me lose an engine. Man, I'm scared of the birds. I don't like them. It's very dangerous. Right, okay. Anyway, let me line up. Flap, I don't see you. This is not good, man. This is really not good. Oh, this is not a taxi. Oh, it is, yes. Then fuck off. Isn't this a way I can get out of here? Yes, it is. I think we can go. Is Nick ready? Let me check on the chat. Is Nick ready? Because we're about to start with the Itsun 3 departure. So we need to basically go towards this VOR 1145. The heading is this, and then get on radial 329 of it. Okay, fine. And then wait. No. It's not 329. It's not 329. It is. Hello, Flap's roommate. Okay, so Flap, you're ready? Perfect. Alright. Captain Flap, you're clear for takeoff on the Itsun 3 departure. The Itsun 3 departure is coming in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Come on. Yes. Come on. Woo! And the engines are revving. Yes. Come on. Woo! Yes. Remember, Nick. EPR2, Nick. Not too much. Like this. Not too much. Come on. Woo! Flap is taken off. Come on, bastard. Come on.
E1. Rotate.
Alright. Up. Woo! Yes. Alright, now. Keep this. Yes. Flaps 2. Yes. And flaps up. Hello, Karma. Speed brakes, speed brakes. Here we go. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful, look at this. Wow. Speed brakes. Wow, look at that. Very nice. Turn the wake effects on. Are there? Are there? Wow, look at this. Wow. No, then they cannot be here. They can't be here. I'm even checking. No, come on. I'm believing everything tonight almost. Screenshot. Beautiful. Look at that. Yes, baby. Look at that. Nick is there. Very nice. Close. Let's see if we can touch the wing. Plus 25, plus 30. Okay, now, give me the plane. Wow, look at the kiss of flap. Nice. Shut up. Okay, I'm a bit low, I know. Shut up. My plans then to turn left and then land. Left circuit. Ah, yes. Okay. Ah, okay. A kiss and then we continue, yes. But then I watch a replay. I want to watch a replay. I'm a bit low. Oh boy. Ah, I lost it. Kiss. I lost it completely. But the kiss is there.
V1. Rotate.
Shut up. Replay might cause crash, yes. 2. Ah, okay. I was asking why am I losing power? Okay, because I don't have power. Interesting. Okay, get the valley. And up, baby. Yes. Okay, so we can continue and watch a replay. I don't know. Oh, that's the other runway. That's okay. Okay. Fine. Let's watch from here. Still gonna be hard. A lot. Okay. Trim the tree. It's fine. He needed that. Oh, yes. Oops. Oh boy, we bounced. Heavily bounced. There. Where is Nick? There. Play. Yes, look at Nick. Lovely landing for Nick. Look at that. Of course, Ghost. Of course, my dear. Oh, nice. Thank you, Nick. Wow, look. We smashed into the ground, but Nick did a perfect one. Look. Look, look. Boom. It's a very nice terrain, yes. But then we did the YOLO wheelie, which was nice. And Nick also did a bit of wheelie, I think. And then took off again. Look, look. He's taking off again. Underground and then up. Yes. Wow, that was lots of power there, man. And we also took off again with a pitch that required a lot more power that I didn't set, but then we're okay. Nice. Where is Fluff? Man, this mouse. The scenery is also quite... What is this? 1122. Yes. Okay, that should be okay. Nice. Outside. Ah, look at that. Yes. I wonder too, Ghost. I guess so. Very nice terrain. Very nice little base there. The route again, absolutely. From now is... This is from now on, okay? To Kansai. We're back to Kansai. Nice. MD11. If there was one decent for X-Plane eyeball, I would. But there's no MD11 decent, as far as I know. So the power is 90%, that's perfect. Still haven't intercepted, but we are about to. Nice. Nice. I wish I could fly an MD-11, for fuck's sake. I would love flying it. It's very picky with the pitch, you know, and I like planes that are picky with the pitch. I remember I flew the PMDG, and it's man. See, the more I say this, the more I think I should install FSX, but I won't. I will resist, guys. I will resist. All right. Getting on the radial. YOLO team. Oh shit, the route. It's not updated. Fuck. Wait. You have many beers already. No worries, man. You decline responsibilities. Okay. So the route is one. There you go. That's where we're going. Yes. Stream drunkenness. How many beers? How many beers is upside down? No. Okay, give me the plane. Thank you. So let's see. Now we have 2 more notches of flap. So we're slowing down, getting some pitch. Okay. Flap 30.
Kilo Echo 88, wind is 230 at 3, runway 24 left, you are clear to land.
Alright, let's go.
Yankee Lima Alpha 77 X-ray, wind is 200 at 3, runway 24 right cleared to land.
Thank you, my dear. I will. I hope. No, I'm 24 right. Why did you go down? Stay up, baby. Oh, wow. The song. Stay up. Wow, that's a really terrible approach. Oh man, wow, really? Wow, okay. I don't know. I'm really screwing them up these days. I don't understand. And look, the float. I don't know.
Rotate.
Let's do a YOLO kiss. I don't know, really. I don't know why I can't. Bah. Anyway, let's keep. Yeah, let's keep this. No, don't take off. Another kiss. Too much pitch. There's too much pitch. Okay, give me the power then. Okay, gear up. Wow. Up to. The last second pitch actually shaved it. Yes. I don't know. I don't understand what I'm doing well.
Kilo Echo 88 identified.
Alright, let's go again.
Continue approach to Kansai International Descent and maintain 4,000 feet.
Bye bye, freak. Buonanotte.
Expect runway 24
bye
left.
Bye, my dear.
Q&A.
No. Why, Austin? Why? And we're trying to land, by the way. Trying to make not a bad one, but don't worry, it can be a bit high. Shut up. Wow, nice. I like it. Oh, I like this. Oh man, I like this landing. Woo! This is a landing I like. For once. For once. For once, this is one I really appreciate. Okay. Now. Yeah, that's our exit. No,
Yankee
flop.
Lima Alpha 77 X-Ray, Kansai International Tower. Welcome at Kansai International. Exit the runway
Thank
and
you.
taxi the gate. Nice to have you back on ground.
Yes, I am happy to, thank you. I can't wait to eat that ramen. Oh, oishi desu yo. Look, do from the ground. Thank you, Nick. Man, I liked it, actually. It was FSCloud. No. No, flop. And thank you. It's still 200 feet a minute. So, not really good, by the way. Where is Anthony? There. I'm gonna park here. Still CRJ 700. Oh, I don't know it actually. I don't know it. So I don't know how to rate it. Alright, let's see. Oh, hello Japan. Yes. Okay, one of these parkings. I don't understand how should I park. Maybe like this? I really don't understand. How is the parking here? How does it work? Like this? What? Well, you know what? I'm gonna park here and that's it. That's gonna be... That should be okay. Whatever. I don't know. Ah, there. What? What? Okay, I don't understand. From the tower. And yeah, I think this is gonna be the last, guys. 5 hours mark. Semi-solid stream. Okay. Okay-ish. Oh man, this is a lovely landing. Man, for me, for my standards, this is one of the best landings I've ever made. Oh, you'll search your bed now, Flap. Bye, my dearest. Yes, save replay. 7 to 7. Only one good. Yes. Man, that was, I don't know. But to me, that's one of the best I've ever made on the 7 to 7, I think. Let me see. From the runway view. From the kerosene's plane spotting view. Man, it looked good, that didn't it? Maybe it wasn't perfect, okay. Okay, of course it wasn't perfect. But for my standards, this was, whoa. Especially on the 7 to 7, you know? Let's see. Oh yes, it was nice, man. Wow. Okay, so last. Can we see yours, Nick? Can you do the replay? Yeah, no, I like these landings actually. I like when I can do these. Boom. And gently. Oh man. The Learjet? No, this is a 727, man. This is a 727. Oh man, that was one of the best I've made so far. I'm quite happy. I don't know if Nick can, and again, buonanotte Flap, buonanotte my dearest. Have a fantastic one. Thank you so much for flying with us, of course. It's been fantastic. So yes, thank you so much. Screw the descent. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So the last one from the wing one view. Here we go. Oh wow. Look at Flap. He's still stuck there. No, Flap, povero, no. He's still stuck in the approach. Okay, so wing one view and then ending songs, I guess. I guess. There. Yeah, no, I liked it, guys. I liked it. And a bit of reversers. There. That was nice. So Anthony, I'm really sorry, but I don't think I can do another flight. I think I'm a little too tired and I need some sleep. However, maybe tomorrow, you're loving a 727, you need to put in some hours. Yeah, you need to, actually that's the same thing for me, man. You need to put some time on this plane. It's a lovely one. And yes. I'm hoping, alright. Now we're a bit low, but don't worry. Try and recover. Yeah, I know it. Shut up. Shut up. Ooh. Okay. If I stay like this, it's okay actually. If I go lower than this, it's probably not okay. But lower is fine. I like lower. Oh, Okinawa, hello. It's been a while. Here we go. No. Okay, that's too. Okay, that was a bit long, but at least. Okay. I hope I can brake. Kinda late. Oh, the birds. The birds. The birds. Okay, brake. Okay, a bit of a floaty. Well, floaty. A bit too much throttles in the end. But thank you. At least, probably, hopefully, a more decent one. Although it was a long touchdown. Oh man, we're in Okinawa. Thank you, MZ. Was a bit floaty, but yeah. Welcome to Okinawa. Where are you guys? There or there? Let me see. Oh my god, the bird! Oh man. Yes, they're quite bothering. Oh, this must be our terminal. So we park next to this beautiful guy there. Not this way, the other one. Yeah, here. Wanna park next to this guy, so I'm gonna take this one and then the next right. I don't know what the other guys are, but we're gonna do a couple of replays and then I'll call it a day, guys. But we're gonna watch the way we landed. I wanna watch MZ London. London. I wanna watch Anthony's landing. Okay. So the birds are quite annoying actually sometimes in X-Plane, you know, because they shut down the engines. Still streaming, baby. Oh yeah, Jack. Oh yes. I'm gonna park next to this guy. Oh yes. I'm actually about to stop, but yeah, maybe let's see this landing. I can show you maybe a slightly better landing. The touchdown was still 200, so it was a bit high. Oh, there's no gate. Yes, there is one. So it was not still not a good one, but I still can't. I don't know. There's something I'm doing wrong. You do the replay, MZ. Ah, wait. In FSX, well, it's easier probably in X-Plane because you go through the replay, and then you basically transmit the same position during replay. But I think only X-Plane maybe works like that. Anyway, here we go. Fantastic. Parked. APU will stay off because everything will shut down. However, let's watch a replay of this. From the tower we can see shit. Okay. Oh, Anthony. Oh, wow. Anthony is nice. He's parking here. Nice. He's actually, look, he's penetrating the 747. Oh, look at that. That never happens that rarely happens in nature. Look, has penetrated the 747. Almost perfectly, by the way. Wow. That's pretty amazing shit, man. So, it wasn't a good landing once again, but hopefully not a... That's it. From this view, come on. So you get the sounds. Oh yes, the lovely sounds. Still, yeah. From the kerosene view, please. Ah, you'd like to watch you land. Well, if you can replay back, MZ, I can see you. If you replay back, I'll see you. I know I can see you. Okay, let's see. Was there wind? Really? Ah, look at what a beautiful plane, man. Still bouncy, bouncy. I still have to make the perfect one with this plane. I still have to make a perfect one. And maybe keep doing it. But yeah. Still not unhappy about it, to be honest. Not unhappy. I don't know if anybody is about to replay. But I'm gonna go for the wing one view maybe, and then maybe if you guys can replay, then I don't know. That's it. That's it. From the wing one view. Welcome to Okinawa. Well, I guess the only way will be then to go for X-Plane, you know? You should install X-Plane. Here we go. Touchdown. Okinawa, baby. Back in Japan. Oh yes. Oh yes. MZ is parking in a hangar at the moment. Oh, look who's here. Steve. Hello, my dearest. Man, you catch me in kind of the end of this, unfortunately. It is quite late or quite early, if you depends on how you look at it. But yeah, I I would like and try. You can replay FSX and prepared. Oh, can you? So, but then it doesn't work on FSCloud, you mean? But welcome, Steve. Welcome back, my dearest. Well, it was a good arrival. Come on, nobody got hurt. Once again, we didn't break Jack's plane. So that was nice. Keep parking. Keep going, baby. Late night stream tonight. Oh yes. Well, it's kind of ending now, unfortunately. It's been probably more than 7 hours. Probably we're on the 8 hours mark now, which is okay. A solid stream. I like it. I like when it's solid. And here we are parking to the Queen of the Skies. Jack. You would make a beautiful queen. And wait, sorry, that doesn't sound good. Queen of the Skies as a model. You do the replay when you're parked. Oh, okay, Anthony. Nice. Let me shut down the engines. 1, 2, 3. All the power will be shut down. This will be good to ground. This will be off. That isn't. But yes. All right. I've parked. I've opened the stairs, the DB Cooper entrance, and sorry, exit. And Anthony, whenever you're ready, we'll follow your replay, and then we'll call it the day. I'm actually gonna switch already into the kinda ending playlist. Let me see. So Anthony.